Hello students, in today's video I am going to discuss the concept of Cramer's rule, and this Cramer's rules is applicable to find the solution of simultaneous linear equations via means of determinants. So students, this type of system of linear equations is given where a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1 is first equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2 is second equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3 is third equation. So here capital D is defined by the determinant of the elements of the coefficients given in left hand side, that is a1 a2 a3, then b1 b2 b3, then c1 c2 c3, its determinant. So students, what is d1? In order to find d1, the first column is changed by d1, d2 and d3, but second and third are same. In order to find the determinant d2, the second column is changed by d1, d2, d3 and first and third are the same. And in order to find the determinant d3, this third column is changed by d1, d2, d3 and first and second are the same. And the solution are provided here by x equal to d1 upon d, y equal to d2 upon d and z equal to d3 upon d. So in order to, where one more thing, where this determinant given in the denominator is not 0. So now in order to make better understanding of the concept, I have discussed one question here. So here in this one, if I will say a system of linear equations is given by this one, so what we can do, we can compare it like a1x plus b1y plus c1z is d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is d3. So you can observe here the values of a1, a2, a3 can be obtained by the comparison of this system and this system. The values of b1, b2, b3 are also obtained by comparison. The values of c1, c2, c3 are also obtained, and as well as the values of d1, d2, d3 are also obtained. So now students, we will be finding the value of determinant d. As we know, this is a formula of determinant d, and I have just utilized the values here. a1, a2, a3 is 5, 6, 3, yes. b1, b2, b3 is minus 7, minus 8, 2, and c1, c2, c3 is 1, minus 6 actually. Here will be minus 6. So when you will evaluate this value, it will be equal to 55, which is non-zero. Now thereafter, in order to evaluate the determinant d1, so I have utilized the formula which I discussed earlier. d1, d2, d3 is, yes, I have taken here from 11, 15 and 7. b1, b2, b3 is minus 7, minus 8, 2, right? c1, c2, c3, 1, minus 1, minus 6, that is also okay. So now it will be equal to 55. If I will be talking about the value of determinant d2, so that is as per the formula, a1, a2, a3 is 5, 6, 3, d1, d2, d3 is 11, 15 and 7, c1, c2, c3 is 1, minus 1 and minus 6. Here it will be minus, and when you will be evaluating it, it will be minus 55. And if I am talking about the determinant d3, that is as per the formula here, a1, a2, a3 is 5, 6, 3, b1, b2, b3 is minus 7, minus 8 and 2, and d1, d2, d3 is 11, 15 and 7. And via evaluating this, I mean to say after evaluating this determinant, you will be getting the value minus 55. Now students, thereafter, as per this formula regarding the values of x, y and z, we are having x is d1 upon d, y is d2 upon d and z is d3 upon d, and we are having these values. d1 is 55 and d is 55, so it is 1. d2 is minus 55, d is 55, so it is minus 1. d3 is minus 55, d is, here it is d actually, so it is d3 upon d, so it is minus 55 upon 55, that is also minus 1. So students, in such a way we have obtained the final solution 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Now if you want to verify that whether your obtained answer is right or not, what you can do, you can utilize the values of x, y and z here in each and every equation of the given system of linear equations, and if your answer will be right, then those values of x, y, z will satisfy each and every equation of the system. I mean to say, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side of each and every equation after putting the values of x, y and z. I hope students this particular video of Cramer's rule will be helpful for you a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video.